So here's what I did. I got all my stuff from Walther's. So I got pins, foam nails, and wood track nails, and some joiners. That's the plan. Updated it a little bit. Got my track cutter. Obviously, I went to the store, Fred's shop, and got the track bed and the flex track right over here. So what I did is use the track cutters for the eat and cut off the end part of two ends of the Bachman Easy Track, because as you can see, the ends usually look like this with a little snap that goes like into there. So for the flex track to work and the bed to be nice, you need to cut that little hook off on both ends here, and then we'll get it as good as possible. Lay down that track bed, and then hopefully see how it looks. Tack it down with the nails first, and see how it looks with the flex track or flex track. So measuring it out right now. Alright, so since it's a curve, it's a little bit harder to do, so you have to imagine. But it looks like I need about 15 inches of bed and flex track. This big piece, they're the standard size of 36 inches flex track. And why is it called flex track? Well, if I put my camera down for a minute, I can show you. Alright, so as you can see, I can bend it and it flexes both rail and ties. So that's why it is called flex track. A lot to do. Also got some stuff for the end scale that came. Alright, so I put another little here board and foam here. I'll have to shave this off to level it out so that the whole track fits into it. And then I got some wooden Scenic risers for the track. Hopefully that'll be good. And then I also have a subterranean scenery kit that does 12 to 24 inch diorama. So I won't cover this whole thing, but it'll sure do a good job. And also going to try for a contest that Walther does every year. Alright, so here's update number 2. As you can see right now, I just tested out cutting a good strip of roadbed. I had to make it a little bit longer. It was about 17 inches with the curve. I put the foam pins in. Looks pretty nicely. There's a few places where it's coming up a little bit bumpy. So I think what I'll do is take it up now, put some Liquid Nails Project caulking in the nail strip around it, and get this glued down, and then we'll wait and get the flex track situated, and then put that down probably in about 24 hours or so. All right, it's coming together pretty well so far. First time using flex track and roadbed. See that I usually use the easy track. Same thing with my end scale layout. I have the Kato Unitrack, which has the roadbed already on it, and so makes it a little bit nicer. But with flex track, you can kind of make the curves as good as you need to. So that's why they don't have curves from here that would match to here, because it is going to be kind of an awkward. So that's why I did flex track. All right, here we go. Got some caulk on it. Obviously, I did add a lot more of the foam nails to try to just keep it down. more as it dries. In fact, I think I might add just a couple more just to be on the safe side. All I did was put a small strip of it down the middle of the bed, and then just carefully start at this end, put it down, took a couple of tats and put it in, and just started working my way down just like that. Obviously I did have a little area right here that I kind of made a mess of, so yeah. Alright, so next project for today will be, while we let this dry, about 24 hours, is my end scale, just kind of getting the foam off a little bit. More on that one area that I made. We'll see how it fits all together. So, that's coming up.